think about that? Pretty great, huh? All right, well, when we launched the all-new Corolla Cross last year, the compact SUV segment was already heating up. Early buyer data shows us that customers appreciate Corolla Cross's segment-leading safety, available all-wheel drive capability, and attractive pricing. So no wonder it's one of the fastest-selling vehicles in our lineup. And now that we're expanding the Corolla Cross family by adding performance and efficiency to an already incredible package, the Corolla Cross will continue to appeal to a young and increasingly multicultural buyer. Available in 3 new grades, S, SE, and XSE, that's a mouthful, as well as the familiar LE and XLE grades, the all-new Corolla Cross Hybrid is sporty by nature, representing the perfect next step for this model line. With the new 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system under the hood, coupled with an all-wheel drive system that's new to the Corolla nameplate, the Corolla Cross Hybrid offers increased power and fuel economy that will make it incredibly competitive. With 194 horsepower and an 8-second 0 to 60 time, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is fun to drive while delivering an impressive manufacturer's estimated 37 combined miles per gallon. But with today's consumer, as you know, it's not just efficient performance and sporty handling that gets their attention. It has to look the part too. The Corolla Cross Hybrid offers eye-catching details that set it apart from its gas sibling, like unique front and rear styling. And it's available with two-tone paint and 18-inch alloy wheels, giving it a sporty look that's designed to stand out. But we couldn't stop there. We have more. Standard on all Corolla Cross grades for 2023 is the new Toyota Multimedia System, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as added USB-C charge ports to keep all of your devices ready for action. All models will also update to Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Now, with so many brag-worthy additions, there's no question Corolla Cross is versatile enough to satisfy a daily commute and a fun weekend road trip. This vehicle goes on sale in the fall, and you'll be able to take a closer look at it outside in the courtyard throughout the week. But we can't put all of our eggs in just the SUV basket. We're enhancing the Corolla legacy as a whole, and that means that the Corolla sedan and the hatch get updates too. Each of these models will get efficiency, styling, and feature updates that customers will love while maintaining the affordability they expect. Since we launched the redesigned Corolla sedan for the 2020 model year, it's gone on to earn a segment-leading 21.4% market share. It's clear that customers appreciate Corolla's incredible overall value that comes along with a great-looking package. And it's what keeps customers coming back to the Toyota family, with 68% of first-time Corolla drivers returning to the brand.